Today we discussed about unit number 6 and topic is concentrated units. Concentrated units definition: it is the ratio of amount of solute to the amount of solution, or the ratio of amount of solute to the amount of solvent. रेशो सल्यूट की अमाउंट की और सॉल्यूशन की अमाउंट की उसे हम कहते हैं कंसनट्रेटेड यूनिट्स. एग्जांपल: अ सैंपल टेकन फ्रॉम द टोटल वॉल्यूम और टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द यूनिट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज परसेंटेज mass per mass, percentage of mass per volume, percentage of volume per mass and volume per volume. Percentage, first one is percentage mass by mass. Definition: it is the number of gram of solute in 100 gram of solution. सोल्यूट के कितने ग्राम्स सोल्यूशन के कितने ग्राम्स में डिज़ोल्व होते हैं उसे हम कहेंगे परसेंटेज ऑफ मैस बाय मैस. एग्जाम्पल है 10% ऑफ sugar solution means that 10 gram of sugar dissolved in the 90 gram of water. Formula of the percentage mass by mass is equal to mass of the solute over mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent multiplied by 10. Second one is percentage mass by volume. So the definition is the number of gram of solute dissolved in 100 centimeter cube of solution. solute के कितने ग्राम वाटर के कितने परसेंट या कितने 100 क्यूब ऑफ वाटर में डिज़ोल्व होंगे उसे हम कहेंगे परसेंटेज मैस बाय वॉल्यूम. एग्जाम्पल 10% mass by volume means sugar solution contains 10 gram of sugar in 100 centimeter cube of water. Formula: mass of solute over volume of the solution multiplied by 100. 3. Percentage volume by mass. It is the volume in centimeter cube of the solute dissolved in 100 gram of the solution. इसमें सोल्यूट को हमने लिया है वॉल्यूम की फॉर्म में मतलब सेंटीमीटर क्यूब की फॉर्म में, और सोल्यूशन को हमने लिया है ग्राम की फॉर्म में मतलब मैस की फॉर्म में. तो सोल्यूशन के 100 ग्राम में जितने सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ सोल्यूट डिज़ोल्व होगा उसे हम कहेंगे परसेंटेज वॉल्यूम बाय मैस. एग्जांपल है 10% अल्कोहल सोल्यूशन इन वाटर मीन्स 10 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ अल्कोहल इज डिज़ोल्व इन द 100 ग्राम ऑफ अ सोल्यूशन. Formula: volume of solute over mass of solution multiplied by 100. Fourth one is percentage volume by volume. In this we can take solute in the volume form and solution is also in the centimeter cube form. Example: 30% alcohol solution means 30 centimeter cube of alcohol dissolved in the sufficient amount of water. Formula is volume of solute over volume of solution multiplied by 100. Important MCQs. There is only one MCQs. If 10 centimeter cube of alcohol is dissolved in 100 gram of water, so it is called C, the volume by mass percentage. Short questions: what is the percentage of volume by mass? So you can just definition, example, write the definition, write the examples and the formula. Long question: define concentration, explain 4 concentration units. So you can discuss about the whole topic. You can just write the definition of concentration, examples and the 4 units of the concentration. So here are the 4 units of the concentration. First one is percentage mass by mass. Second one is percentage mass by volume. Write their definition, examples and formula. Third one is percentage volume by volume, and fourth one is percentage volume by mass. You can just write the definition, examples and formula of each unit.